Alright guys, we're here at a fridge, R22, walk-in fridge. This is a Heatcraft. It runs on R22. Came here last night. Different problems. This is the old temperature control. There was a sensor, and there was also a freeze temp control. So basically, when temperature would reach, it would cut out, and if the freeze temp sensor that's in the evap would feel a freezing point, it would close basically this thermostat. So they don't make these anymore. So what I did is I installed a timer. And on the other side of the fridge, I'll show you my A419, I believe, or A41A, the newer models there. Also went out and changed the start and run capacitor and the starting relay because those were going bad. Right now I am running on 10 psi, 11 psi, and you could say 130 high side, 130 on the high side on R22. So we're slowly gonna add some gas in here and get this baby running properly. It would run for like maybe an hour to reach temp, so it's definitely low on gas. I also went out and installed the high pressure cutout and a low pressure cutout right there to protect the system. The wiring is not done for that yet because it was low on gas. We're at 35 low side, high side 175. We're slowly getting there. Added around a pound of R22, and its box temp is coming down a lot faster than what it was before. I've been adding gas now for a while, and when I arrived here, the box temp was at 4 Celsius. It's supposed to stop at 3 Celsius, and since I had a lot of gas, since I didn't have enough gas in the unit, it would take a while before the box temp would come down. So then putting gas. Then I said to myself, let's go see what the box temp is, and it's at 0. So it's a little bit of troubleshooting. This is my A421, and as you can see, this is my common. This is my normally open. I'm on resistance. So if you check my common and my normally open, it's normally closed. So that was a problem. Basically, our fridge was running 100% of the time. It was never stopping. So we just went there and changed that out. Oh, probably just reached temperature. We're gonna go check that out. So we just changed that out. We're gonna wire this up here, and we'll check it out. It just reached temperature at 3 Celsius. As you can see inside, passed my wire here, did the turn, and it goes into the return supply. So we're gonna go wire up our low pressure and high pressure sensors and test those out. So our defrost clock here in Montreal, especially in the summer, there's a lot of humidity. So right now it's 11 o'clock. And we're going to set it basically for every 2 hours after our big defrost in the middle of the night. So 4 a.m. So 4, 5, 6. We're going to set it here at 6, 15-minute defrost. 6, 7, 8. Another defrost, 15-minute defrost. 9, 10. 9, 10, yeah. Another defrost over here. Close that up. 10, 11, 12, another 15-minute defrost. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, that's good. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What's this one? 11, 12. So basically, every 2 hours we have a defrost, a 15-minute defrost for our unit here. Just doing a quick leak test on our pressure switches. Make sure nothing is leaking. Check those out, and then we're going to wire them up properly. Here too. No buggles, so far so good. We'll check out the other side as well. Then we're going to wire this bad boy up and test everything out. Alright guys, we wired our low pressure and high pressure switches. Everything's looking okay, so far so good. Here you're running at around 36, 37, low side and high side 180. It's a bit low. Box temp is at 5 Celsius, so it's a bit low. We're gonna add a little bit more of gas, and that's it. Oh, already reached box temp. Box temp already reached, so let's go check out the box temp. Maybe we'll leave it at that as it is. So box temp was reached, so we're gonna leave it the way it is. The pressures are fine. Box temp is at 3, and that's it. Fridge is looking good, nice and cold. We have a thermostat in here, 39 degrees Fahrenheit, and everything else looking good. Have you guys ever seen a sprinkler inside a walk-in? It's my first time. This is my first walk-in I see that has a sprinkler from all the restaurants I've worked at. So maybe leave a comment and let me know what do you guys have in your area. Alright guys, this is it for this video. I will leave some links in the description for some tools I used today. So go check that out. Please like and subscribe, and if you have any questions or comments, maybe things I should have done differently, please let me know in the comment section. Cheers.